Hey, welcome to CSIT classes. In this video, we are going to write a code to print the Fibonacci series. So, let's understand what is the Fibonacci series. So, as you can see, the first two terms are 0 and 1, and after that, all the terms are equal to the sum of the previous two terms. So, here it's 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Similarly, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Similarly, 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Similarly for 5, 8 and so on. So now let's start writing the code to print a sequence like this. So we'll include the header file first. Now let's start the main function. Now let's take the variables. So we'll take S as the sequence, an array of 100, and a variable I for the loop, as we need to generate the series, and so on. Now let's declare the first two terms of S, which is 0 and 1. So S0 equals to 1, and always remember the index of an array starts from 0, not from 1. So the first element of S is 1. Similarly, S1 equals to 1, it would be 0, and this would be 1. So now let's start writing the code. We'll use a for loop for that. And we should also know the length of the sequence. So how many terms we want to print. So let it be n, and we'll take this from the user. Now we'll take the input using the scanf function. Now it should be less than n, because since indexing starts from 0, so it will be less than n. I mean, the last value of should be 1 less than n. So this is correct, and we'll increment I after each iteration. So now Si equals to S of I minus 1 plus S of I minus 2. So for the first case, I will start from 2, because we have already declared the first two terms. So for I equals to 2, here Si equals to S2 minus 1, which is 1. So S1 plus S2 minus 2 equals to 0. So S0, which is 1 plus 0, which comes to 1. And it will go on like this until the value is less than n. So now let's print the series. We'll need another loop to print the series. Now this loop will start from 0, because we want to print all the numbers in the series. Now we just need to simply print the elements, and we use a /n because we want to print each number in a new line. Yeah, so that's it. That's the code we needed. So let's build it. Yes, it's correct. Now let's try to run it. Now length of the series, we want to print first 6 terms. So yes, as you can see, these are the first 6 terms. Let's try with another one. Now suppose we want to print only the first term. Is it possible? Yes, as you know, the first part of the series is 0. So yes, this is the thing. it's giving 0, and I think we should just give it a space and this like this. It will look much better. Let's build it. Now let's give a little bigger number, 11, and yes, it's, as you can see, it's giving the right output 1 1, and all the sums like from the back, if you check, 34 plus 21 equals to 54, and like this all these numbers are correctly calculated. So yes, that's it for now. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.